unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
To add overlay sound to TikTok, start by creating or uploading your video. Once in the editing screen, tap the Sounds icon at the bottom. Browse or search for your desired sound and select it. You can adjust the sound's alignment with your video for perfect synchronization. If you wish to combine this new sound with your video's original audio, simply adjust the Original Sound slider. This feature allows for creative sound mixing, enhancing your TikTok's appeal.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.